lovelies, welcome. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. Alright, so it's that time again. It's that time again. Weekly giveaway, weekly giveaway. It's that time again. It's that time again. I feel like such a nerd. Anyway, I told you guys last week that I was looking for a weekly theme song for these giveaways and I still haven't found one. I don't know what to do, but I'm sure that something will come to me. I do have a new intro though. I know some of you noticed, and I put the link of the student of mine who I used to teach last year who made me the intro, and I'm so grateful. His channel is King Tuts Pro, so make sure you guys check him out. He is amazing. He is super, super, super talented. So make sure you guys check him out because I just had to give him a mad shout out because I'm so grateful for what he did for me. So anyway, enough of that stuff. So here we are. Another week has gone by and I'm here to announce my weekly giveaway winner and then tell you guys about next week's giveaway and just, you know, kind of talk and say, hey, how are you? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will link the video of my weekly giveaways right here in the cards from last week so you can check out all of the great prizes I'm giving away for this week, or I guess from last week. And then I'll also place a playlist somewhere here, or I'll put them down in the description bar just so you guys have an idea of what's going on, why I'm doing weekly giveaways. I know also a lot of you are wondering what's going on with my 2K giveaway, so I decided to let that go for a little bit longer. I will be deciding the winner over the course of the next few weeks, and that should be posted sometime in May. So make sure that you pay attention for that, or to that, I guess, and just, you know, keep an eye out. It's been amazing, you guys. I'm so grateful. It's coming too fast. It's coming too fast. I'm so grateful. So thank you so much for all of you who are out there supporting me. It just means the world. I know that a lot of you know how much I want this, and I do, you guys. I really want this. So thank you so much. Let's just jump in and I will remind you guys what last week's prizes were, and then we will jump into this week's giveaway because I think you guys are really going to be interested in what I have to give away. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a quick reminder about what last week's prizes were, but if you want to see the in-depth detail, or you just kind of want to look at my past weekly giveaways so you can kind of see what stuff I've been giving away, then go ahead and check out those videos as I mentioned before. But this week's winner will be receiving 5 items from Stila. First, they will be receiving 3 lip items. One of them is a Color Bomb lipstick in the shade Savannah. One of them is a Stay All Day lip liner in the shade Pink Moscato. And then the other one is a Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Venezia. Venezia? They will also be winning a Stila Perfect Me Perfect Hue Eye and Cheek Palette, tan and deep. But the shades are really beautiful. So go ahead and check out that video if you're interested to see the shades in that guy. And then finally, they will also be receiving a Stila Stay All Day bronzer in dark. It's actually a really neutral bronzer. It's beautiful. So I am so excited to give away like every week. It just, I don't know, you guys, it just really gives me joy in giving away these prizes. It just makes me feel so, I don't know, just so happy to be able to pay it forward. And I hope that you guys see that in these videos, and I hope that you guys see how loved you are and how much I appreciate you all. And this week was really hard to choose my winner. It gets harder and harder every week. But this week's winner I chose as someone who just has been there from the beginning, and this is a subscriber of mine who has been here for a very long time, and she has been very active on my channel, and I'm so grateful for her. And I just feel like she had just, I don't know, I've been overlooking her, and I'm so sorry, but Emily D, thank you so much for all you have done for me this last year. I really do appreciate all of your support, and you've just been truly amazing. So thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. She's been here since the very start, you guys, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much, Emily. So I will go ahead and be sending out your prizes with a couple of others that I am mailing out. I like to mail them in bulk. So let me know your address via my Instagram or my email, and I will get these mailed out to you right away. Thank you so much, Emily. Okay, so I think you guys are going to be really excited about this week's giveaway. I am super excited. I've actually already filmed this video, but had to refilm it because I didn't like the makeup I was wearing that day. So I refilmed this entire thing. That's why it's up a little later. I apologize. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's get to the prizes for this week. Okay, so those of you who watch my channel know that I hit TJ Maxx a lot. And I have been hitting like the gold mine at TJ Maxx. And I have found so many Anastasia products. So the first part of this giveaway is actually something that you can choose. I have put a plethora of liquid lipsticks and lip glosses in this giveaway, and the winner of this week will be able to choose one of the shades that will be in this giveaway. All of the shades will be listed down below that will be entered, or I guess that will be a part of the giveaway, so that you guys can go and check out swatches. You can go and look at like videos on the shades so that you know which is best for your skin type. But I wanted to give you the option to choose because I don't know who's going to win this giveaway. I don't normally know until the day of. So I wanted to make sure that all skin tones were able to win this giveaway. So I decided to go ahead and put a bunch of different colors. We've got colors like Ashton, Milkshake, Rio, Catnip, Candy Coral, Sugar Plum. Some of these are glosses and some of them are liquid lipsticks. So you will be able to choose which one you want, either a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss of the shades that I will be putting in it. And again, all of those are listed down below. So that is the first item in this week's giveaway. The next item in this week's giveaway will be the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade, I think it's just chocolate. Yeah, so it's just chocolate. It's not the lightest, it's not the darkest, it's right in the middle. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And this is by Too Faced. It smells like chocolate. Oh, it's the best ever. So this is the shade. It is so pretty. I found 3 of these actually at TJ Maxx. I picked up 1 for myself and then 2 for future giveaways. But this is stunning. It's like a super neutral color. Anyone can wear it and get away with it. Dark skin tones, light skin tones, medium skin tones. It's just really beautiful, which is why I was so happy they had the mid-tone there. I know that Too Faced just came out with their whole entire new line of bronzers. So that's why I think these are or have been at TJ Maxx, and I actually picked up one of those during my VIB sale, my VIB haul of Sephora VIB. You guys know what I mean. Anyway, so this will be included as well, and it's just a really pretty like medium, like deep matte bronzer, and I love matte bronzers. It's like a holy grail product for me. And then last but not least, this giveaway will have another palette, just because I love giving palettes away. I think that they're so universal, so versatile. You can do so many different things with them. So I decided to put another product by Too Faced in this giveaway. I also found multiples of these at TJ Maxx, and I picked them up because they are great for giveaways. So the one that will be included this week will be the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. And this is one of my favorite palette, you guys. It is so good. I love this palette. I remember when these first came out, I had to get all of them. Like the peanut butter and jelly palette, the natural palette, the bourgeois palette. I had to get them all. But this one is the kind of mix of mattes and shimmers. It is so pretty. They have shades like Heaven, Soak Teddy, Push Up, Honey Pot, Cashmere Bunny, Nudie. They're just so pretty. And they're such universal shades, you guys. I mean it. Like, anyone can wear them. If you have darker skin tone, lighter skin tone, you can wear these shades. They are so beautiful. And it goes so perfect with the bronzer and with a lipstick or lip gloss. You'll have a whole complete, you know, you'll be able to do something, some kind of look with it. So I thought it would be really cool to go ahead and include this guy. And it comes with a mirror, and it has this little card here. And this was such a good steal at TJ Maxx. I had to get it. So I purchased this for you guys. And I also purchased another one for another giveaway. So be looking out for that. I know, it's just really pretty. I like it, and I feel like this will be a good giveaway this week. Again, you know, I feel like they all are, but I've said this before, I just like to put different products, different strokes for different folks, and I feel like anything that I put will suit someone's fancy. Let me go ahead and tell you how you enter. All you have to do is be a subscriber and be a loyal subscriber. I do pay attention to who comments, to who supports me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I do pay attention to, you know, what comments you make here on my YouTube channel. I kind of make sure that you're watching other videos that I'm posting. I just really pay attention to who is an active subscriber, who is really supporting me. I really want you guys to know that I will not be choosing anybody who I don't see as someone who is fit to win a weekly giveaway, just because I really want to be supporting, or giving back rather, to my subscribers who I know are loyal and who, you know, love me and are there for me and support me. So don't you guys worry. If you are active and I know you're loyal, then there will be a week for you, and I appreciate you continuing on with me and just, you know, continuing to support me. So anyway, my point was, you have to be a subscriber and follow me on social media if you can. If you have Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, all of those links will be below. I know that there's an issue with my Twitter link. I think it's because I had an old Twitter name on there, so I will update that for you guys down in the description bar if you are interested in following me on Twitter. I'm not super active, but I'm trying to be better. I don't know, I just can't get into Twitter. Let me know if there's a secret that you guys do to stay into Twitter, because it's hard for me. And that's it, you guys. Those are the main things. You know, the main criteria. I just basically want to see active subscribers. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and down below, even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, I would love it if you became a part of the Edgy fam. Give me a like for this video, you guys, just so that I know you are out there and you are watching and you are loving this content. And also share this video, you know, let your friends know, your family know, your strangers know, neighbor, your cat, whoever, your grandma, let them know what I'm doing on my channel, that I'm giving back the best that I can, and to come on over and say hi and let me know, you know, who they are. If they want to stick around, I would really appreciate that too. And yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, and take care of each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Oh, and don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Could be you to win the next weekly giveaway. See ya!